Have you ever been handed a single feature and told, now go write the user stories? It can feel overwhelming, especially when you're unsure where to begin or how to break it down effectively. This is a common challenge in agile product development. Well, in this section, we're going to explore a powerful and repeatable approach to transform a single feature into a structured list of user stories using ChatGPT. This hands-on session is particularly valuable for product managers, business analysts, product owners, and Scrum Masters who want to accelerate backlog grooming and improve story quality without losing context or clarity. It's ideal for anyone aiming to improve speed and structure in agile planning. By the end of this video, you'll learn the key steps for generating list of user stories related to a feature using ChatGPT accurately and efficiently. Let's dive right in and walk through this process together. In this section, we'll do a hands-on session. If you're attending this course, you will be working with me to complete this exercise. The template required to write the response or prompt is already available in the course you're referring to. So please follow along with me step by step, as that's how you will get the most out of this lesson. Having the template ready makes prompt creation faster and easier. In this section, we'll generate a list of user stories related to a feature. The problem we're addressing is that many times you might be working as a Scrum Master, product owner, product manager, or lead analyst, and you're given a single feature. Your task is to break that feature down into user stories. Instead of doing this manually, we'll use ChatGPT to automate it. This not only saves time, but also improves output consistency. This will be a three-step process. The first step is writing the prompt to generate the list of user stories. For this, we'll use our standard prompt generation template, which was introduced in earlier videos of this course. If you map this to the ChatGPT framework, in this step, we analyze and understand the task at hand. In this scenario, the task is to generate a set of user stories based on a feature description. We'll understand the requirement and then draft a prompt accordingly. A clear understanding leads to more relevant outputs. In the next step, we'll use the ChatGPT prompt we just drafted and run it through ChatGPT. It will generate the response, which includes the list of user stories we expect corresponding to that feature. You'll see how the AI breaks the feature into usable stories. In the final step, we'll review the response generated by ChatGPT. If the quality is high, we'll contextualize it based on our product, our scenario, the specific feature, and the task at hand, and then populate it into our template. Minor edits might be needed to fit your specific environment. So these are the high-level outcomes we will achieve in this session. To recap, you've just learned how to break down a feature into user stories using a simple three-step approach with ChatGPT. Craft a precise prompt using a proven template. Run the prompt in ChatGPT to generate structured user stories. Review and contextualize the output to match your product and scenario. This workflow makes backlog creation faster and more scalable. This method not only saves time, but also ensures consistency and clarity across your backlog, an essential skill for any product professional working in agile environments. Thanks for joining me in this hands-on session. I hope you now feel more confident in leveraging ChatGPT to simplify and accelerate user story generation. Feel free to reuse this process for multiple features.